Hello everyone, welcome to Chesspedia. In this example 8 of the book Chess Fundamentals, we will see 2 versus 1 pawn scenario again. Let's play as per the book. Black will try to maintain a position, give him check. It will try to exchange, don't exchange, push it back, push him back. Black will not go this side because then otherwise we will try to make a queen. Now here comes the most crucial move. Here if we play like this, Black will maintain a position and it's a stalemate. So we cannot play like this. If we go here, the smart move, this move, then again black will keep on dancing. And black maintain a position. So what move should we play here? We are in this scenario. This was our scenario. So as per Capablanca, we have to sacrifice the f pawn like this and then play the smart waiting move like this, because black cannot come at this square, and then we push the king back and capture the g pawn, and then we win the game. Black cannot maintain a position, we simply win the game like this. There is another scenario in the game. Suppose instead of king, black move g6 pawn like this. We played initially like this, and here black moves the g6 pawn. Then see, beginners will have a urge that to play this, and but will then black will maintain the position. If we play like this, black will maintain a position and it's a draw. Then later we can play it out. So don't give into that urge. Some beginners will have the urge to play like this, and black will capture, we will capture like this. But again, here black is able to maintain the position and we cannot do anything. Okay. So what's the method to play such game? It's very simple. After this, when black goes g6, we simply move away because these squares are protected. So because of this move, black is forced to waste some move or push its king, because if it moves pawn, we capture and we simply win. So black king has to move, the smart move again, and then we stop the pawn. Now black king is forced always. We will capture and we will easily win here. Okay. There is another scenario as per the book. Capablanca says if we play f6, then black will play g6 and it's a draw. But we saw that it's not the case. So here we are deviating from the book and let's play it out. If we go ahead, black will capture, and there are different scenarios. We will see the scenario where we capture like this. Now here black has two routes, here and here, to stop this pawn, and both have we have to play differently. And remember, don't let black king come into a position. If he goes here, then we have to stop him at this square by playing this move. It will be forced. Move your king. Always move your king. It will go here. Here if we move this, then it's a escape square, so it will move here. Now it's a critical scenario. We cannot move this pawn, otherwise it will be a stalemate. Now it's a stalemate. So don't make such mistakes. After this, you have to sacrifice the pawn, give him check, he will be forced to take, and then don't play this mistake again, because then again it maintains a position. Don't let him maintain a position. So simply move the king. We take a position first. So if he goes here, we go here, he will be forced and check. 7th rank check, but it has a escape square, and then we win. There is another scenario where king takes a different path. Here we saw after we capture, king went here. Suppose king takes a different path. Now how we play it? King goes here. Don't play this move again, otherwise it will be a stalemate. Why? If we play this move, then it is forced to go back. Whatever we do, I break the principle, we have to move ahead in front of pawn. So if we go here, he will simply go back. If we go come front, it will maintain a position. So it will be a draw. We have seen this scenario. And if we move the pawn, as such here, this scenario, and if we move this pawn, it's a stalemate. If we move king here, it will capture the piece and it will be a stalemate again, and it will take it out. So when king follows a different route, this one after capture, we simply move the king. We don't have to let it come into a position, we maintain the position. Here again one blunder we can make, so we will look out for that. Now he goes here, we simply move, it will be forced to go here, we move this, it goes here. Now here most will think we simply queen it up and we win. It's a blunder, huge hit, because this pawn is stopping king to move this square and it's a draw. So at this position we have to sacrifice, either it captures or goes, whatever it does, and then we have a queen and then we simply know how to win. So I hope you know the blunders and the concept. The main concept is maintain principle of position and in front of the pawn for black. Same for white, don't let black take the position, don't let black king come in front of the pawn. I hope this example is clear to you all. If there are any suggestion, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.